bend towards the light. Our hypothesis was that plants naturally bend towards the light.
For that, we did the following experiment. We planted lantern seeds and divided into two groups to see what happened. The plants that were placed in the box that had a hole at the top did not bend.
Inside this box bent towards the hole. And this both are bending towards the box.
For the plants bent towards the light. Is the scientific method?
Hypothesis was verified.
I enjoyed my experiment. I love the experiment so much.
I enjoyed the experiment.
Did you enjoy the experiment?
Yes!